As the 31st FISU Summer World University Games in China approach, athletes from across the world have expressed their anticipation and excitement to compete in the Games. The Yuniversiade will unfold in Chengdu in southwest China's Sichuan province from July the 28th through August the 8th, showcasing a total of 18 sports.
Gerçekten şu an çok heyecanlıyım. Daha önce birçok yurt dışına çıktım ama hiçbir zaman Çin'e gitmemiştim. Çin şu an dünya sıralamasında masa tenisinde çok iyi. 1. sırada ve yıllardır bu böyle devam ediyor. Bu yüzden Çin'i daha çok görmek istiyordum.
I'm very much looking forward for this competition. Also because it's in a very different location from my past competition, and I've heard so much about Asia and specifically China. I'm very eager and excited to go there and to meet new people from all around the world.
For me to go to participate in China, it's a good feeling because during that competition time, I'll be able to make connections and meet good people, and also it's a platform where I can show my talent. It's a good platform.
Hi, this is the badminton team from Uganda. We are excited to be traveling to Chengdu, China. Chengdu makes dreams come true.